Everybody, Dave with Carefree Boat Sales here. We're ready for our big demo day. Let me do a quick walkthrough what we have to offer, and we'll go from there. Twin engine 30 Monterey Elite. Brand new 25 Elite by Monterey. Here's a 27 Elite Monterey. I love it. This one's got the white interior. So we got the white interior, the blue interior, and then the dark gray. This one came in yesterday, 27 Elite V10 400. Got that light blue exterior. Hurricane 2600 350 Honda. Nice little seating area we've got. McLaren 300 on a 24 footer. Here's a Godfrey 250 Yamaha Show. Godfrey Monaco with 350. McLaren 300. This is the quad lounger with the 4 captain's chairs. Love it. A nice little 150 boat. 50K on this one. Coming around, we've got a nice little bar boat. We got a twin engine for sale. It's a little demo boat we've had. It's ready to go. Sailfish 241. Probably our best deal on a used center console. 300 Merc. This is our C Pro, little 205 trolling motor in the front, has all the options. 2023 Crown line. This is the 260 XSS. Nice little boat. Here's our last leftover 2025. It's got the bar, it's got the 350. Beautiful boat. Just completed an oil change and service on this boat. Just got to check the oil, put the cowl back on. 350 Honda, SFL flip boat, aqua patio. Beautiful little boat. This is a 2023 used one we've got, Premier Merc 300. Absolutely beautiful. So here are the docks, sun is setting. Come down and see us. Everything's undercover, everything is ready to go. See you soon.